Mitchell Geisler's journey, turning setbacks into strength. The streets of Toronto are just waking up, but Mitchell Geisler is already in stride. Running shoes slap the pavement as he loops through familiar neighborhoods. For Geisler, CEO of LevelJump Healthcare, these early miles aren't just about fitness. They're strategy sessions in motion. Stop what you're doing, go for a run or walk, and evaluate the situation. He says, talk to others to see how they view it. Take deep breaths. It's advice he's lived by. From bar owner in downtown Toronto to mining executive to healthcare leader, Geisler has built a career around facing obstacles head-on, often finding clarity on the move. Geisler took over as CEO of Canadian Teleradiology Services in 2010. At the time, revenues hovered under $1 million. Today, the company generates over $17 million. Growth came with constant hurdles. My career has been building businesses, which naturally comes with speed bumps, roadblocks, surprise issues. Geisler recalls, the key is to remember there is always a solution, and don't think you always have the answer. Ask others, learn, listen, understand, compute, and then you can make the most optimal solution to overcome those obstacles. That mindset shaped not only CTS, which provides vital radiology services to rural hospitals, but also LevelJump Healthcare, where Geisler now leads strategy as the publicly traded company expands across Canada. For Geisler, leadership in healthcare is about more than numbers on a balance sheet. The work touches patients, doctors, and staff who operate in high-stress environments. In healthcare, you have to have compassion and understanding. He says, you deal with patients who may be under a lot of stress, doctors who are working in a stressful capacity, and staff who are trying their best. A good leader needs to find ways to connect and ensure a true team environment is created. That human focus may be why CTS's reputation has held strong in communities where healthcare access is often fragile. By investing in both technology and people, Geisler has tried to balance efficiency with empathy. Ask Geisler about mistakes, and he doesn't hesitate. Every failure is a lesson that teaches you, he says. It's an opportunity to gain knowledge and be mindful with future decisions. His background is a patchwork of sectors: mining, hospitality, medical imaging. Not every venture succeeded, but each setback added perspective. When equipment broke down, deals fell through, or clinics hit regulatory walls, he saw them as tests of adaptability. Success, in his view, is never static. It's a mixture of achieving personal and professional goals that you set for yourself, along with knowing that in some way or form, you have made a difference. Geisler says, it may be a difference to the world or to someone you work with. It is ever evolving. Geisler resists dwelling on milestones. Even doubling revenues or launching new acquisitions is for him a checkpoint, not a finish line. Success is in the results. That is your feedback. He explains. Do you increase sales, revenue, profitability? If you are giving a presentation, does it lead to engagement? The standard is to always improve, to look forward. Don't get caught up in success. This drive has helped LevelJump set its sights on becoming a national leader in diagnostic imaging. It also keeps Geisler restless, pushing for the next solution, the next improvement, the next run. Leadership, he admits, rarely stops at the office door. I think for most leaders, the professional side is 24/7, he says. But you have to find a way to put the phone down, to spend time away for an afternoon or evening. The best ideas come when your mind isn't focused on your work, when you give yourself a chance to relax. That balance comes through daily workouts, half marathons, and time with music or sports. These outlets aren't escapes, but part of his rhythm of resilience.